I did not intentionally stab and kill my husband.
In January 1999, LaToya Dickens's fight with her husband turned deadly.
We struggled over the knife. He was stabbed one time, and he died 3 days later.
Dickens, convicted of felony murder, served 25 years in prison. She's now on parole for life. But Dickens says at no point did Georgia courts consider her backstory. For years, she says, she was a battered, terrified spouse.
I'll never forget this one day that he got so angry with me. He lifted me up waist high and threw me off of a porch while I was 8 months pregnant.
How often did it get physical?
At least about 10 times after a month.
How often were you afraid for your life?
Most of the time.
Georgia's new survivor justice law says in court, domestic violence survivors can ask for lower sentences if they can present evidence abuse led them to commit their crime. Under that law, LaToya Dickens's sentence could have been as little as 10 years.
This is not a get-out-of-jail-free card. They still have to serve some portion of the sentence.
Republican State Representative Stan Gunter sponsored the bill. It passed overwhelmingly in Georgia's legislature.
We weren't looking at the whole picture. We were just getting bits and pieces of it. And it wasn't enough to make a good, clear decision on how to treat these people.
So justice delayed better than justice denied.
Correct.
In Georgia, hundreds of women behind bars could be resentenced. Nationally, more than 70% of incarcerated women report being victims of violence from their intimate partners.
3 other states have similar laws. 6 more are considering one. Ellie Williams directs the legal office of a group advocating against domestic violence.
It gives people an incredible amount of hope that they have not had until there's not only a pathway for me to get out, but what I hear from them too is it affirms that someone believes me.
Dickens still wants a court to hear evidence she killed in self-defense.
I felt I deserved to serve some time, but not 25 years.
What do you want Georgia's new law to do for you?
Examine the facts and determine whether I should be off for parole. I want a fair chance at rebuilding my life.
Across the country, thousands of women behind bars may have that same chance. For Eye on America, I'm Mark Strassman in Atlanta.